Hi, I'm Peter Bognanni. I'm an associate professor and chair of the English department here at Macalester College, where we have an amazing group of writers and scholars who are teaching the study and the creation of literature. The other thing that might be of interest about me is that I'm an alum of Macalester, class of 2001, and it was in this very building where I studied writing and published my first short story in the Student Literary Magazine, which is still going strong, completely student-run. I noticed while I was here that as the result of my inspiring professors, I was spending most of my time writing when I should have been doing other things, staying up until 2 in the morning working on short stories, and so I decided when I left that maybe it was something I should keep doing. And after going to graduate school, I published my first novel in 2010. The other thing that I remember fondly about the English department, aside from my professors, were my friends and fellow students who have gone on to do all kinds of amazing things. One of them became a film director, and after my book came out, he passed it on to another director friend of his, which eventually resulted in a feature film version of the book, starring Ellen Burstyn, Nick Offerman, Asa Butterfield, Alex Wolff, and Maud Apatow. Came out in 2018. So now I'm back teaching at Macalester, and I get the pleasure of seeing my students publish books. I appreciate your interest in Macalester, and I hope that if you're here, you'll stop by the English department and see what we're working on next.